Hey everyone, I know you won't be able to see them very good, but I have two cats that are random here. Yeah, it's really dark, but I'm outside. It's dark on the floor, or sidewalk. Can't see them. But you'll be able to hear them a little bit. You hear that? Some random cat. Two cats that just came up to me, I don't know. I know I have, neighbors who have cats, but I don't know if these are theirs. They're little, I don't know, they just came here. One was on my sidewalk of the house, and the other was in the grass. So there's two cats, and I don't know why they're here. But it mainly happens because we had cats before as pets. There's a fat one, and then there's a normal cat. I think this one's pregnant or something. This one's like a fat cat. You can hear them. They're just, I don't know why you guys can't, I don't know why it's so dark and you guys can't see them. But you could hear the cats, and there's two of them. It's really weird, and they also follow me. I don't know if they need something to drink or some water, but it's weird. Creepy. Yeah, this cat just keeps on following me. Wants pets so much. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this because I don't know where this cat's been, but I think they're outside cats or something, but they've been outside, I think. I don't know. Peanut, our dog, has been barking at them from the window, and I was wondering what it was, so I had to go and see, and it was just two cats. And Peanut doesn't like cats. I wonder why Peanut's not barking now. But I'm gonna let Peanut see these cats real quick. Not let them out. I'm just let them see from the front door. Peanut. Oh, boo. Oh, I'll let him in. See, now you can hear Peanut now because he sees the cats. You can hear him. Yeah, I don't know why these are here, but I hope they don't stick around because they need to be where they should be. And Peanut, I swear. Actually, you know what would be better? Hold on, guys. I think you'll be able to see him once I do this. Hold on. Peanut. There we go. One cat. Ugh, still too dark. You'll be able to see them once they're on the porch. This one is the one that's not growling. Oh, you'll see him like this. Hey, you crazy dog. You see him. One, and then one's a little bit back there. No. Peanut. Right there. Another one's a little bit back there. And right there. Kitty. No. Peanut. Get back. No. Bad boy. I'll close the door on him. But this is just random cats. I don't know. Peanut's crazy over them. And the one, it's too dark for it, but this one, maybe you'll see its eyes. But, no, you won't be able to see it. The fat one's the only one growling and hissing now. So, two random cats, I guess. hope they won't stay, but Peanut hates them. Okay. Hey. No. Let's see what Peanut thinks of him. Good boy. Bah. Let's see if they go away now. Go away, go away. They're leaving. Okay, let's go. These cats are crazy. See if you hear them hiss. Okay, I just wanted them gone. Alright. Let's just go. I was gonna let the cats leave because kind of bugging. Oh boy. Alright, we're done with the cats. Let's see. One right there. On our porch. Random. I don't know. Alright. Bye guys. Random cats. I don't know. Peanut. They don't like each other. I'm gonna try and get the cats off and stuff and let Peanut go away. Hey, okay. Bye.